Hi, and welcome at Your Guitar Workshop. In today's lesson, we will be looking at how to transform our minor pentatonic scale into the Phrygian mode. Now, I've done two videos on this before, one to transform it into the Dorian mode and the other one transforming it into the Aeolian mode. So this is sort of a similar approach. We start with the minor pentatonic scale, A minor pentatonic. So we got root, minor third, 4, 5, minor 7, root, minor third, 4, 5, minor 7th, root, and minor third. Now to turn this one into the Phrygian mode, what we do is we add two notes. And those two notes are the flat 2 or flat 9 and the flat 6 or flat 13. How does that work? That flat 2 is just a half step above the root, and the flat 6 is just a half step above the 5th. So when I play my root here, then here a half step up is my flat 2, then I got my minor third, my 4th, then I got my 5th, and then my flat 6 is a half step above that. There you go. Then we got minor 7, we got root, then we got our flat 2, which is half step up. Then we got minor third, 4, 5, flat 6 was a half step above that. Then we got minor 7, then we got root, then flat 2 is half step above that, and then we got our minor third. It's like this. How I look at these notes sometimes is that the flat 2 resolves down to the root, and the flat 6 resolves down to that 5th. So like this. Something like that. The materials for these are for download on my Patreon page. And hope this was helpful, and hope to see you again sometime soon. Bye.